Diesel truck engines are built tough, but some have become legends. These engines power trucks for hundreds of thousands, and sometimes over 1,000,000 miles. Sound unbelievable? Stick around as we uncover the list of 9 diesel truck engines that last forever. Some were engineered decades ago, and their reputation only keeps growing. Whether you're a diesel enthusiast or just curious about the engines behind the toughest trucks, this list is for you. We'll start with a game changer from Ford that set the standard for diesel durability. But don't miss the top spots. Our number 1 engine is redefining what modern diesel power is all about. Starting at number 9, we have the Ford 7.3-liter Power Stroke. It's widely recognized as one of the top 10 engines ever produced. It was built from 1994 to 2003. This engine is known for its strength and simplicity. It powered F-250 and F-350 Ford Super Duty trucks and became a favorite for tough jobs. The 7.3-liter Power Stroke delivers up to 275 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque. That's plenty of power for towing or hauling heavy loads. It has a cast iron block and heads. The forged steel connecting rods make it even tougher. It also uses a direct fuel injection system, improving performance and reliability. This engine earned the nickname Million-Mile Motor. Why? Because it's built to last. That's why Ford managed to build over 2 million of them. It has fewer electronics compared to modern engines. That means fewer things to break. Ford replaced the 7.3-liter with the 6.0-liter Power Stroke in 2003, but the 7.3-liter's legacy lives on. It remains one of the most reliable diesel engines ever made. Up next, let's look at its replacement, which had a rocky start, but found its fans. Number 8 is the Ford 6.0-liter Power Stroke, 2003 to 2007. The Ford 6.0-liter Power Stroke had big shoes to fill. It replaced the legendary 7.3-liter in 2003. At first, it got mixed reviews, but over time, this engine proved its worth. Found in the F-250, F-750, E-Series vans, and select Ford Excursions, the 6.0-liter Power Stroke produces up to 325 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. That's a noticeable boost from its predecessor. It uses a cast iron block, aluminum heads, and advanced turbocharging. This made it more efficient and powerful than the 7.3-liter. One standout feature is the Variable Geometry Turbocharger, VGT. It reduces turbo lag and improves response. The engine also introduced a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system. This added more precision to fuel delivery, increasing power and efficiency. However, the 6.0-liter wasn't perfect. Early models faced issues with head gaskets, EGR coolers, and injectors, but many of these issues were resolved with Blue Oval upgrades, turning the 6.0-liter into a reliable workhorse. Owners love this engine for its performance and towing ability. It works especially well when modified for more power. Diesel fans often say, bulletproof it and it'll last forever. Despite its rocky start, the 6.0-liter earned its place in diesel history, with some owners recording over 400,000 miles. Next up at number 7 is the 5.9-liter Cummins diesel engine. Produced from 1989 to 2007, it's known for its reliability and massive torque. This engine powered Dodge Ram trucks and became a favorite in the diesel world. With 235 horsepower and up to 460 pound-feet of torque, the 5.9-liter Cummins wasn't just strong, it was built to last. Its iron block and forged steel components make it indestructible. The engine also featured a simple yet effective design. That meant fewer parts to break down and more longevity. The 5.9-liter was also known for its outstanding fuel efficiency. This was key for drivers who needed power without sacrificing economy. But the real magic came from its torque. The engine could pull heavy loads with ease, approximately 15,000 pounds. Another reason this engine is legendary, the 5.9-liter Cummins engine is known for its ability to go over 500,000 miles without major issues. Even after being replaced by the 6.7-liter Cummins in 2007, the 5.9-liter's reputation as one of the most durable engines remains. Taking the sixth spot is the 6.6-liter LBZ Duramax 5.8 diesel engine. This was the third generation of Duramax and the brand's most respected diesel engine. Built between 2006 and 2007, it quickly gained a reputation for strength and reliability. This engine powered the Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Topkick, and GMC Sierra trucks and didn't disappoint. With 360 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, the LBZ Duramax had the power to tow heavy loads and handle tough terrain. It features an aluminum alloy block, which makes it lighter than many competitors without sacrificing strength. The turbocharger and fuel injection system gave it impressive power and efficiency. What set the LBZ apart was its durability. Its design was simpler, which made it easier to maintain and less prone to expensive repairs. Another key feature is its ability to be modified for extra power. Enthusiasts love tuning the LBZ for better performance, making it even more reliable and durable. Even though the LBZ was only produced for 2 years, it remains one of the most sought-after Duramax engines. Number 5 is the 3.0-liter Chrysler EcoDiesel. This is a smaller engine with big potential. Produced for just 2 years, from 2014 to 2015, this engine powered the Ram 1500, Ram ProMaster, and Jeep Grand Cherokee. Despite its short run, the 3.0-liter EcoDiesel earned respect for its fuel efficiency and impressive torque. With 240 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, the 3.0-liter EcoDiesel may be smaller, but it still packs a punch. It features an aluminum alloy block, a turbocharged design, and a high-pressure common rail fuel system. One of the standout qualities of the EcoDiesel is its fuel economy. This engine could deliver up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway, which was outstanding for a full-size truck at the time. Despite its short production run, the 3.0-liter EcoDiesel has earned a following among diesel enthusiasts. With proper maintenance, many of these engines can easily exceed 300,000 miles. Coming at number 4 is the Cummins 6.7-liter inline-6 turbo diesel. This is a powerhouse that became a favorite in 2,500 and 3,500 heavy-duty pickup trucks and Ram 3,500, 4,500, and 5,500 chassis cabs. Produced from mid-2007 to 2021, this engine offers a winning combination of power, reliability, and durability. With 350 horsepower and up to 1,000 pound-feet of torque, in later models, the 6.7-liter Cummins can pull some serious weight. The engine is built with a turbocharger that increases efficiency and performance. Thanks to its inline-6 design, it's also known for having a smooth, responsive power delivery. One of the key reasons truck owners love this engine is its longevity. Many 6.7-liter Cummins engines have easily surpassed the 500,000-mile mark with proper care. Its simple, heavy-duty design means fewer parts to worry about, making it one of the most reliable diesel engines. The 6.7-liter Cummins also offers impressive fuel efficiency for a truck engine of its size. This makes it a popular choice for long-haul drivers and anyone looking to get the most out of their fuel. Although it was replaced by newer versions in 2021, the 6.7-liter Cummins remains a favorite among diesel enthusiasts and work truck owners. In the third spot is the 2.8-liter and 4LWN Duramax turbo diesel. We are now in the latest generation of engines produced recently. The 2.8-liter i4LWN Duramax, produced from 2016 to 2022, was designed for mid-size trucks like the Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon. Don't let its small size fool you. This engine is tough and efficient, with 181 to 204 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque. The 2.8-liter Duramax may be smaller than most, but it can still easily haul and tow. Its four-cylinder design makes it lighter and more fuel-efficient than larger diesel engines. It uses a turbocharger and a common rail fuel system for better power delivery and efficiency. The best part? The 2.8-liter i4 Duramax is incredibly reliable. Many owners have reported getting over 300,000 miles from this engine with regular maintenance. It's also known for its smooth performance and low maintenance costs. This engine's size makes it a great choice for those who don't need a massive diesel engine, but still want the reliability and power diesel engines are known for. Though it's no longer in production as of 2022, the 2.8-liter i4 Duramax has earned a spot in the Diesel Hall of Fame for its longevity and efficiency. We're now in the top 2. These engines are still in production today. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Ford 6.7-liter Power Stroke 5.8. This is one of Ford's best diesel engines, the fourth generation of the 7.3-liter we covered earlier. It has been in production since 2011 and is still going strong today. This engine powers the Ford Super Duty trucks and Ford F650/F750. With 475 horsepower and up to 1,050 pound-feet of torque in newer models, the 6.7-liter Power Stroke 5.8 is built for heavy-duty tasks. The engine is also known for its smooth, quiet operation, which is rare for such a big diesel engine. One reason this engine lasts so long is its durable design. It features a compacted graphite iron block and a larger turbocharger. The 6.7-liter also has a high-pressure common rail fuel system, which helps with efficiency and power delivery. This engine can run on a mixture of up to 20% biodiesel and 80% petroleum diesel. Owners often report reaching 500,000 miles with proper care. The 6.7-liter Power Stroke is easy to maintain, making it a favorite for truck owners. Finally, taking the top is the Duramax 3.0-liter diesel engine. Introduced in 2019, it marked the return of diesel power for Chevy and GMC light-duty trucks after a long break. The Duramax 3.0-liter is the first inline-six diesel engine in these trucks, and it quickly gained popularity. This engine powers the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500. With 277 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, it offers excellent towing power. Despite being smaller than other diesel engines, it easily handles heavy loads. Plus, it's one of the most fuel-efficient diesel engines available, with many drivers seeing 30 miles per gallon or more on the highway. The Duramax 3.0-liter features advanced technologies like a turbocharger, clean diesel technology, and a high-pressure fuel system. This gives it outstanding performance and low emissions. It's also quieter than many other diesel engines, which makes it a top choice for daily drivers who value a smooth ride. With proper care, this engine can last up to 300,000 miles. It's no wonder the Duramax 3.0-liter has earned its reputation as one of the best diesel engines in its class. These are the top diesel truck engines that last forever. Want to learn about more legendary engines? Subscribe and click the link below to watch 37 car engines that will last forever.